Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Random Facts by Shikha. In today's video we will know 10 most popular places to visit in Meerut. Before starting the video, would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mustafa Castle was built by Nawab Muhammad Ishaq Khan in 1900 in the memory of Nawab Mustafa Khan Safita. It's popular for its architecture and for its historical importance. Vidurka Tila has a historic importance in Mahabharata. It is a group of mounds which were unearthed during the excavations. Digambar Jain Temple is a Jain temple dedicated to Bhagwan Parashvanath. The deity is 7 feet tall and is decked with beautiful silk. Bhole Ki Jhal or Salwa Ki Jhal is a dam from where electricity is produced for the city. It is a popular picnic spot and one can enjoy the beauty of nature at this place. St. John's Church was built in 1819 by East India Company. It is one of the oldest and biggest church of North India with a sitting capacity of 3000. Shahid Smarak was built in memory of 1857 revolt. The museum here has 2 galleries showcasing some artifacts and paintings. Draupadi Ki Rasoi is located on the banks of Budganga river in Meerut. It is said that Draupadi, the wife of the Pandavas, used to cook meals here for the entire family. Hastinapur holds an important place in Mahabharata. It is situated on the banks of Ganga near Meerut. It is also the birthplace of 3 Jain Tirthankara. Shahpur in Meerut was built by Queen Noor Jahan in 1628 in the honor of a local Muslim Hazrat Shah Pir, who was the teacher of Emperor Jahangir and the Queen. Agurnath Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is also known by another name which is Kali Paltan Mandir. If you like the video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.